Here's how you can use the recurring payments on the Cash and Go app. First, you press Build and Top Up. Press Manage Billers. Add new biller account. Then you click BAF or any other services. Place in the information below. Once the information is placed in, place your account description and press Verify and Add. The account was added successfully. Then you press Enable Recurring Payments. Please select a day of payment. Choose which day you would like the payment to be made. Use funds from your credit or debit card. Once you've chose the card you would like to use, press Confirm and your recurring payment was enabled successfully. To view it, you press Manage Billers, Manage Recurring Payments, and there you have it.